Something I have learned is the cleaning industry is grueling. If you've been running a cleaning business for a while, no doubt you have had those days where you think, what on earth am I doing this for? Why am I doing this? It's too hard. This is too hard. It's too difficult. It's too stressful. Yeah, it is grueling. It's a simple business model, but it is grueling. And if you're thinking, you know what? I don't want to go at this alone anymore. It's lonely. It's frustrating. It's difficult. We've got a fantastic community of people in the academy. People feel like this on a semi-regular basis in cleaning. It will grind you down. But if you want to have other people around you that have been through those same things, that are going through those same things, that can give you advice and support, a coach and mentor like myself, or the community like the one we have in the Cleanup Academy, those things are incredible. Those things are worth their weight in gold. They really are, because having that support system around you when you have those tough days, and just being able to speak to a group of people and leave a message, even in a WhatsApp group, and just say, guys, I'm having the worst day, and know that you'll have 20, 30, 40 other people saying to you, I get it, I've been there. So if you are feeling like, God, I'm tired of going at it alone, you know where I am. Drop me a message, let's have a chat.